Trump and Bitcoin 2024, $12.7 billion fine for FTX, WazirX hack, and the final step for Ethereum-ETF. Bitcoin news. Recovery of the first cryptocurrency. Last week, Bitcoin, along with the market as a whole, continued to regain previously lost positions. On July 15, 2024, the asset's price exceeded $62,000, and 5 days later, it momentarily reached $67,539. On July 21, Bitcoin's value slightly dipped and was holding at $66,845 at the time of writing, according to TradingView. Over the past week, the asset grew by 13.4%, with its capitalization reaching $1.32 trillion. BlackRock CEO called Bitcoin digital gold and urged investment. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink stated that he views the first cryptocurrency as digital gold with great potential. Fink admitted that he was long skeptical about crypto assets. However, his opinion has changed, and he now sees Bitcoin as an alternative investment opportunity for capital preservation and growth. Notably, since the beginning of July 2024, BlackRock's spot crypto ETF has attracted $1.2 billion in Bitcoin, accumulating a total of 18,600 BTC. Arkham recorded the movement of almost 139,000 BTC in FTX wallets. On July 16, 2024, Arkham intelligence analysts reported resumed fund movements in the wallets of the defunct exchange FTX. The company moved nearly 139,000 BTC, valued at $9.3 billion. On the same day, some users reported that the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken had sent emails confirming receipt of assets from FTX. The funds are expected to be credited within 7 to 14 days. Bitcoin Whale moved 1,000 BTC after nearly 12 years of dormancy. An unknown large Bitcoin holder transferred 1,000 BTC to a new address after nearly 12 years of inactivity, according to Whale Alert. Over the years, the investment grew by 500,000%. At the time of the Bitcoin purchase, the portfolio was valued at $11,908. The address had been dormant for 11 years and 9 months since September 2012. Billionaire Mark Cuban believes Bitcoin could become a global reserve currency. Billionaire Mark Cuban commented on Donald Trump's presidential campaign, suggesting that Trump's victory would facilitate crypto business in the U.S. and potentially lead to Bitcoin becoming a global reserve currency. According to Cuban, Silicon Valley's support for the politician is a bullish signal for the asset. Whales bought $94.1 billion worth of Bitcoin since the beginning of the year. In the first 7 months of 2024, Bitcoin Whales purchased a total of 1.45 million BTC. This record accumulation was reported by CryptoQuant founder and CEO Ki-Young Ju. Currently, this amount of the asset is valued at over $94 billion. Active buying increased the total balance of Bitcoin Whales to 1.8 million BTC. Cryptocurrency ETFs. CBOE confirmed start of trading for spot Ethereum ETFs on July 23. The Chicago Board Options Exchange confirmed the start of trading for shares of 5 spot Ethereum ETFs on July 23, 2024, as indicated by the ETF store president Nate Geraci. The listed ETFs include funds from 21 Shares, Fidelity Investments, Invesco Galaxy, VanEck, and Franklin Templeton. Previously, this date was mentioned in a forecast by Bloomberg intelligence analyst Eric Balchunas, and it was confirmed when issuers finalized their S-1 filings. Bitwise forecasts Ethereum could reach $5,000 after spot ETF's launch. Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan predicted a significant rise in Ethereum following the launch of spot ETFs based on this asset. According to the expert, the influx of investments into this product class will be a key catalyst for the cryptocurrency's growth to $5,000. ETF store head, U.S. crypto funds based on Bitcoin control over 900,000 BTC. Nate Geraci stated that U.S. spot crypto funds based on Bitcoin have accumulated over 900,000 BTC. He mentioned that the assets under management of these exchange-traded products nearly reached $60 billion. Spot Bitcoin ETFs control 4.3% of the total supply of the first cryptocurrency. Since their launch in January 2024, net capital inflows into this asset class from outside the industry have exceeded $17 billion, according to Geraci. Politics and crypto assets. Trump to speak at Bitcoin 2024 despite assassination attempt. U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump will speak at the Bitcoin 2024 conference, scheduled for July 25 to 27. The event organizers announced this on the official event page, noting that security measures will be strengthened. Later, the media reported that Trump proposed participants at the upcoming Bitcoin 2024 conference pay $844,600 to join a roundtable discussion. Journalists suggested that this invitation is likely part of a private fundraising campaign. Besides paying for the roundtable with Trump, individuals can pay $60,000 for a personal photo session or $100,000 for a couple's photo shoot. The politicians' team reportedly raised about $3 million in crypto donations in Q2 2024, according to the media. Messari's CEO resigned due to statements against Trump's opponents. Messari's CEO Ryan Selkis resigned. He later stated that the reason for his resignation was his publications, taken out of context. The former company head was deeply affected by the assassination attempt on U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump, whom he supports. He threatened the politician's opponents with war, after which he was accused of inciting violence. Later, amid new criticism, he had to apologize. Before the news of his resignation, the former Messari CEO admitted he had overheated and would soon have to answer for his actions. But Aaron opposes choosing politicians based on their attitude towards cryptocurrencies. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin noted a trend in the crypto community to prefer politicians and parties based on their stance towards cryptocurrencies. In his opinion, this position carries certain risks. In a new article, the programmer warned voters against supporting political candidates who claim to support cryptocurrencies but do not understand the fundamental goals and benefits of blockchain technology. Trump to consider crypto skeptic Jamie Dimon for Treasury Secretary. Trump announced that he would consider J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon for the role of U.S. Treasury Secretary. Dimon has repeatedly criticized the cryptocurrency sector. In December 2023, during a Senate Banking Committee hearing, he said he would block the crypto market if he could. U.S. Senator who called Bitcoin criminal's choice found guilty of bribery. On July 16, 2024, a jury found U.S. Senator Robert Bob Menendez guilty of bribery in his role as a foreign agent. According to documents, the politician faces decades of imprisonment. The senator has been a longtime critic of the crypto industry. He once claimed that Bitcoin was the perfect choice for criminals. The politician was also one of the co-authors of the Accountability for Cryptocurrencies in El Salvador bill. The Democratic Party representative was found guilty on 16 counts, including bribery, extortion, acting as a foreign agent, obstruction of justice, and multiple counts of conspiracy. Project and company news. Solana surpassed Ethereum in DEX trading volume. Ethereum in DEX to July 14, 2024, the trading volume on decentralized exchanges in the Solana network amounted to $13.3 billion, according to DeFi Llama. The blockchain surpassed Ethereum in this indicator. On a monthly chart, Solana also leads with $25 billion, followed by Ethereum with $23.3 billion, and Binance Smart Chain in third with $13.8 billion. FTX to pay $12.7 billion fine in CFTC settlement. The bankrupt exchange FTX reached a settlement with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. As part of the deal, the company agreed to pay a $12.7 billion fine, including $4 billion as a disgorgement of illicit gains and $8.7 billion for damage compensation, subject to court approval. Tools for Humanity extended token lockup period for early WorldCoin participants. Tools for Humanity, the company behind the WorldCoin project, announced it extended the token lockup period for early participants from 3 to 5 years. The asset responded with significant growth. The remaining 20% of the assets will start being allocated on July 24, 2024. The tokens will be distributed linearly daily, the organization emphasized. BlockFi to begin compensation payments in July through Coinbase. The bankrupt company BlockFi will start compensating clients in July 2024. According to a blog post, funds distribution will be carried out through the Coinbase exchange. Clients will receive notifications at the email addresses provided during BlockFi account registration. Non-US users will not be eligible for compensation due to regulatory requirements. BitForex to resume withdrawals. The cryptocurrency exchange BitForex announced it would resume withdrawals. The press release stated that the company would resume operations soon but in a new format. All trading functions, deposits, and registrations will remain unavailable. However, users will be able to withdraw funds to linked wallets. Polygon to migrate Matic tokens to Pol on September 4. On September 4, 2024, Polygon Labs developers will update the main network. As part of this process, Matic tokens will be migrated to Pol. The proposal to convert the native token needs community approval. After the update, Pol will replace Matic and become the project's main asset. Initially, it will be used for transaction fees and staking in the network, according to the source. Incidents and hackers. Indian crypto exchange WazirX hacked for $235 million. On July 18, 2024, the cryptocurrency exchange WazirX suffered an exploit. Specialists from Cyvers discovered several suspicious transactions involving the platform's multi-signature wallet. Funds amounting to $234.9 million were transferred to a new address, with some assets sent to the crypto mixer Tornado Cash. The company contacted the police and the Computer Emergency Response Team. Besides authorities, WazirX also reached out to over 500 crypto exchanges, requesting to block the attackers' accounts. The company's plan includes tracking the funds, returning them, and conducting a thorough analysis of the cyber attack. Analysts believe North Korean hackers were behind the attack on the Indian exchange. DMM Bitcoin hackers laundered over $35 million through Hui1 Guarantee. The hackers behind the DMM Bitcoin exchange hack laundered over $35 million through the Cambodian platform Hui1 Guarantee. On-chain detective ZachXBT tracked the transfers of stolen assets. According to Elliptic analysts, the Hui1 Guarantee platform is involved in a large-scale fraud scheme laundering $11 billion. The funds were obtained through fraud, human trafficking, and other crimes, the source claims. MTGOX users report hacking attempts on their accounts. Several users of the bankrupt exchange MTGOX reported that unknown individuals tried to access their accounts on the platform. Community members had varied responses to the situation. Some noted that they faced similar issues, believing that attackers might use brute force to hack accounts. Others think the MTGOX portal experienced a technical glitch. According to replies, users with two-factor authentication are likely safe. Experts reported a hack of the Rho Markets lending protocol. On July 19, 2024, Cyvers experts reported that the Rho Markets lending protocol based on the Scroll project was hacked, causing $7.6 million in damage. The platform's operation was suspended. According to experts, the incident affected only Tether USDT and USD coin pools. Cyvers also suggested that the attacker gained unauthorized access to the protocol's oracle. Massive IT system failure disrupted many companies worldwide. On July 18 to 19, 2024, a large-scale IT system failure affected many companies, from airlines and media to crypto projects. The issue stemmed from errors in Microsoft's services caused by a failure in CrowdStrike's software. CrowdStrike project president George Kurtz acknowledged that the issue was due to his company's software. According to him, the problem was identified, isolated, and fixed. Amid the situation, Microsoft's stock price dropped by more than 3% in pre-market trading. Donald Trump to release fourth NFT collection. Donald Trump announced he would release his fourth collection of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This news emerged during a recent interview. According to him, all previous NFT collections were successful and sold out in one day. Therefore, the politician and U.S. presidential candidate decided to continue in this direction. J.P. Morgan, public Bitcoin miners' share in global hash rate reached 26.6%. The share of mining companies whose stocks are traded on the U.S. exchange reached a record 26.6% in the global hash rate, J.P. Morgan Chase representatives stated. Analysts noted that since the end of June 2024, the combined market capitalization of public cryptocurrency mining firms increased by 29%. Regarding their share in the global hash rate, it grew by 2.9% since the end of June. Since Bitcoin's halving in April 2024, the increase has been 5.6%. Michael Saylor discussed MicroStrategy's growth and compared it to NVIDIA. MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor published data on the company's stock price growth since August 2020. In the note, he emphasized that the organization outpaced NVIDIA thanks to a Bitcoin-oriented strategy. According to Saylor, the secret to MicroStrategy's success is its investment in the first cryptocurrency. The company is the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, controlling 226,331 BTC. Apple and NVIDIA used YouTube to train AI without authors' consent. Major tech companies, including Apple, NVIDIA, Anthropic, and Salesforce, used tens of thousands of videos from YouTube to train AI models without the author's consent, according to media reports. A journalistic investigation revealed that the firms used subtitles from 173,536 videos taken from over 48,000 YouTube channels.